Happy morning. Today we are going to learn. Happy morning. Today we are going to learn a Rakhi. See, it's angry bird. Yee. Chalo. So I'm taking one cardboard. Okay. And yes, children, one more surprise is there. We are going to make a gift for your sister also. So 2 in 1. Chalo. Now take this size, any size, whichever size you want, Rakhi, that size you have to take the cardboard. See, it is my card size. Okay, it how big you want, you have to do that much. Okay, now cut it. Okay, hold the point, remove it. Okay, now I had cut the string how big you want to for the time. Okay, in the center, please tie in the center. It look like a bona. Now cut the, see, don't cut this up where we had tied, don't cut this. Okay, hold like this, cut the sides. Ready. Now for the gift. Same way how we had done it. Chalo. So I'm using my 2 fingers, these 2 fingers, okay, and rolling it. You can take the help of the cardboard, a small piece of cardboard, and then you can do it. See, this way, small cardboard, huh? Because we want to make small ball of the woolen. Now see, I'm using my fingers only. You can use cardboard. See, only this much size. For that reason, I'm using it this. See, done it. Cut it. Okay, and get the roll and tie it. Okay, see, same way how we had tie for the thing in the center. Now same way we are going to cut it. Your children, if you don't have woolen, you can use this type of silk thread also, but in this you have to make the rounds too much because it is very thin now. So see children, if you cannot make this type of earrings, I will show you very easy method for the earrings. See, 3, how much thickness you want you can take. I'm just going to take 6 time or 7 time. See, this much only I'm taking. You can take more also. Okay, I'm just going to cut. your earring is ready. So whichever you like, if you like this, do this or do this. So do your craft nicely. Okay, so you have to gift for your sister Rakhi. You can make this Rakhi for your mama so she can give to your mama. For this boys, because boys will say why we should make Rakhi. So I don't want this reason. So both of you are going to make the Rakhi. Enjoy your Rakhi and click your photo and send to me for this flower. See, this rose one, this one and this one. So you just check it and you can make this way also the Rakhi from the paper. See, this is from the paper and this is from the, see, this type of plastic I had drawn here. See, can you see? I had drawn this and cut it and then color it and then I had done this way. So this rose also. I'm going to share the link in the description box. Please check there and you can make this way also the Rakhi. Till then, see you children. Bye.